Bonjour and welcome back to another episode of T.E.D Mini. I'm Serene and together we'll be learning about technology, engineering and design. In today's episode, we'll be delving deeper into how to create digital graphs and charts using software such as Microsoft Office or free online software such as Canva. Let's start by sorting out data. Let's imagine we have collected this information on the wants and needs of dogs. 100% of dogs don't like to be in a cage for long. 100% of dogs needs toys to chew on. 70% of dogs prefer to eat wet food. 60% of dogs like the company of another dog. 30% of dogs sold worldwide are bulldogs. From this data, we can already make certain assumptions. For example, 0% of dogs like to be in a cage for long. 0% of dogs don't need a toy to chew on. 30% of dogs prefer to eat dry food over wet food. 40% of dogs don't like the company of another dog. And finally, 70% of all dogs sold worldwide are other breeds rather than bulldogs. If we want to compare between these statistics to show which one is the highest or most important for dogs, we could create a bar chart. To create a bar chart in Word, go on Insert, Chart, and here you will find the selection of charts and graphs you can use. We will now go on to bar charts. Select the style of bar chart we would like to use and click on OK. The first thing that will pop up are the Excel sheet in front and the bar chart behind. There is the title up top, the categories on the side matching the ones on the Excel sheet, and in this case, 3 bars for each category. As in our case we need only 1 bar per category, we'll delete the rest by highlighting the columns on Excel, right-clicking and pressing delete. Finally, on the side you will find the digits we'll be using for our percentages. Let's first start by changing a title, followed by the label for the digits from the Excel sheet, the category labels, also from the Excel sheet, and finally the percentages, once again also from the Excel sheet. If we want to create another chart, for example a pie chart, we can repeat the same process by going to Insert, Chart, and selecting the pie chart in the particular style we like. A pie chart is used to compare percentages of the same whole. For example, how many dogs eat wet food daily versus how many dogs eat dry food daily. Or how many dogs sold worldwide are bulldogs versus other breeds of dogs. In this case, I will choose the latter. And once again, I will change the title and categories of my pie chart. The extra categories can be deleted as before. Once the numeric data is added, the pie chart is adjusted accordingly. Moving on to the free online software to create these graphs and charts, open your internet browser and search for Canva, or download the app on any Android or Apple devices for free. Either way, you need to sign up for free using your email or Facebook account. As I search for bar graph directly, Canva has already opened one for me directly. Once again, we can change the title of our graph. To edit our data, just press on Edit and you will get a similar window to the Excel window on Microsoft Word. By changing these labels up here, we can change the category name and so on and so forth. To change the look of the graph, Canva only lets you change the color, but unfortunately not the style. If you want to use another style of graph or a different chart completely, such as a pie chart, you can do so by scrolling down from here, clicking on More, press on Charts, and here you have a selection of bar graphs, line graphs, or pie charts. If you press on a pie chart, a new pie chart will come up over the previous graph. After deleting it, if you click on the pie chart and press Edit, you can once again change the labels and data related to this chart. To download or save the graph online, you can change the name from up here, and then pressing Download. Here you will find a variety of options, including downloading the chart as a JPEG image to add to your portfolio or presentation. And that's a wrap for today's episode of TED Mini. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you have any suggestions on how I can improve these videos, please leave a comment down below. I'm Serena, and if you have been, thanks for watching.